Oando is a Nigerian-listed company with downstream marketing and upstream operations. It has secondary listing on the JSE and has an implied market cap of 6.6 billion rand, but has been making losses, so it does not have a PE ratio or a dividend yield. So two things here, Gerbrand: Nigeria and oil. Is that anything you want to be investing in right now?
Yeah, look, at the moment, the rest of Africa is very difficult with commodity prices where it's now at the moment. We all know the MTN fine going on, so South African companies, some of them are pulling back out of the Nigerian business. Oando looks interesting from upstream and downstream operations. They sold some of their downstream operations, but they do the exploration side, they do the production side.
They bought a big business from ConocoPhillips, a production business within that Nigerian region.
They did that as well, and I think they sold some of their retailing business in the last half of the reporting period. But still, it's very difficult. As far as we know, Nigerian oil is not making money at these prices, and they are not making money below 60. So from that point of view, certainly, and a liquidity point of view on this specific share, we're not hot on.
Yeah, I get the feeling that in terms of efficiencies compared to some of the other regions, you know, the actual profit-making price of oil has to be a lot higher than what it is at the moment. And obviously that's where Oando have most of their assets.
Yeah, as far as I know, the Nigerian government actually subsidized some of the fuel prices, etc. as well. So they got a bit of a buffer in that. So that.
But I think they also in return have to give
some of 25% of the earnings or something. They need to give to the Nigerian government. But so they got some strange arrangement on that front, which we're not used to in this country. Here we pay taxes. There you get helped on the petrol prices or gas prices. But they got some interesting businesses. We're just not comfortable with holding a Nigerian business at the moment.
And also not very liquid. They do have that, it's sort of a secondary listing here and a secondary listing in Canada, I think. So it's very hard to buy and sell the stock.
Yeah, I think if you need volumes, you're certainly going to stand back in the queue and probably just look at the share price, maybe doing one trade a day or something.
So you're going to be hot or not?
I'm not going to be hot. It's just too illiquid, and we don't know enough of the company, and we're scared of Nigeria at the moment.
Agreed with you. So not going to be hot on Oando, both of us. Finally, we agree on something.